Last time I introduced the fiber laser welding machine. I think you all remember. For the fiber laser welding machine, they have three functions in one. Three in one. Cutting, welding, and cleaning. That main function is for the welding. For the cleaning, it can do that job, but it is not very professional. The cleaning area is very, very small, very, very small. And always dirty for the mirror. So you need to exchange the mirror. It will increase the cost. If you want to do the professional cleaning, that means your work is only for the cleaning. For the rust, for the oil, for the painting. Then this machine will be professional for you. This is the professional fiber laser cleaning machine. Now let me introduce the details for you. Here, this is the screen, touch screen. The button, start button, and the power off, and the stop. For this professional fiber laser cleaning machine, the point is the cleaning head. Let's see. Let me show you here. I think you all remember for the laser welding machine, and there have nozzles outside for the cutting and the welding. But for the cleaning, they will take off the nozzle. The very small area. But you can see here, we have the protection nozzle here, very wide. Its cleaning area can be 150 millimeters. Very big, very fast. And also we have the air tubes here. This one will protect the mirror. It can clean all the dust off to protect the mirror and prolong the working life. You can see, very beautiful. And if you like this machine, if you need the cleaning machine, then contact us. We will give you very good price, very good machine.